end of the gold standard and the birth of the petrodollar in 1971. By the late 1960s, the United States was spending a lot of money on Vietnam War and domestic social programs. This led to concerns that the US did not have enough gold to back off the dollars it had issued. In 1971, President Richard Nixon made a historic decision to end the gold standard. This meant that the US dollar was no longer directly tied to gold, and its value would instead be based on trust and demand. This is known as fiat currency, meaning the money's value is not backed by a physical commodity, but by the government's promise and the economy's strength. After this change, some countries began losing confidence in the dollar. To maintain the dollar's dominance, the US made a strategic move known as Petrodollar agreements. In 1973, the US reached a deal with Saudi Arabia, the world's largest oil producer, ensuring that all oil sales would be conducted in the US dollars. Other oil-producing nations followed this practice. Since all countries need oil, they had to buy US dollars first before purchasing oil. This created a constant demand for the US dollars, helping it maintain its value despite no longer being backed by gold.